Good morning, and let's tell you about the top 5 stocks that you should watch out for in today's trading session. Well, it is all about numbers, so we begin with Nestle, that's slated to come out with its earnings today. There's also Varun Beverages, by the way, on the radar, but we'll be focusing in on Nestle today and the Q4 CY20 standalone earnings. Well, here's what the street is expecting. Revenues are seen up 8% to 3,405 crore rupees. Profits are expected at 536 crores this time around. That's higher by about 13.5%. EBITDA is seen higher by about 16%. 802 crores is what the ET Now poll suggests, with margins at 23.6% versus 22%. So that's up about 160 basis points. The volume growth is expected to come in at about 8% this time around. And remember, that's one of the most important determinants when it comes to Nestle, you've got 8%. The demand for packaged goods, well, that's what's likely to drive the revenue growth. The company is likely to sustain their growth, led by strong traction in Maggi, the chocolates, as well as recovery of the out-of-home consumption. The benign input prices as well is likely to help their overall margins to expand, and lower other expenses and judicious ad spends is what is likely to aid their operating margin. We'll be watching out for outlook on the slowdown in the home consumption demand trends on packaged foods, as well as material cost outlook. Meantime, ONGC is on the radar of CLSA. They've upgraded the stock to Outperform from a sell rating, with the target price at 105 rupees, saying that the Q3 Ebitda has been a beat. They raise the EPS and lift the target price and upgrade to Outperform. They believe that it's a big beat on the core profit, and higher interest costs and tax outgo drives a miss on the PAT. The stock is pricing in a $56 per barrel on crude realization. Meantime, SIS India is another stock to watch out for, as the company has announced a share buyback of 100 crores. This, they believe, is going to be a total at 550 rupees a piece, and this shares are being bought represent about 1.23% of the total fully paid up equity shares. And remember, they believe that they have very strong cash flows. They're generating over 550 crores of cash flows in the first 9 months of FY21, and the buyback is intended at shareholders who have supported the company. Do remember, they say they're part of the essential services sector and continue to remain among the top 5 employers in the country. Tech Mahindra, the companies will be supporting end-to-end IT transformation of Germany-based telecommunications provider Telefoncia Germany. And Safari Industries, watch out for that one. Motilal AMC buys 6.1 lakh shares at 540. Motilal Equity Opportunity Fund also buys into the counter 1.9 lakh shares. Sundaram Mutual buys about 1.4 lakh shares at 540. That's nearly 1.3% stake. The seller is Tata India PE Fund.